Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Kontomire stew. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need fresh cocoyam leaves, also known as Kontomire, along with rich palm oil and your choice of smoked fish. Don't forget to chop up some onions, tomatoes, and peppers to form the flavorful base. We'll also prepare classic spices such as ginger and garlic to enhance the taste. Now, let's start building those incredible flavors. Begin by heating your palm oil in a pot, then sauté the chopped onions, ginger, and garlic until they become fragrant. Next, add your diced tomatoes and peppers, cooking them down until they are soft and well incorporated. This creates a rich foundation for the stew. Finally, introduce your smoked fish and any other protein you desire, allowing them to meld with the aromatic base. It's time for the star ingredient. Gently stir in your blanched and finely chopped Kontomire leaves into the simmering base. If needed, add a small amount of water or stock to achieve the right consistency for simmering. This allows all the flavors to combine beautifully. Remember to season generously with salt and any other preferred spices, tasting as you go to ensure perfect balance. Your Kontomire stew is almost ready. Before serving, make sure it is thickened to your desired consistency. A rich, hearty stew is always best. Serve it hot alongside traditional accompaniments like boiled yam, ripe plantain, or fluffy rice for a truly satisfying meal. For more great cooking tips and to find deals on smart speakers like the Echo Dot, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Kontomire stew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.